Story 15. An illustrious man had a worthy son who died. Being asked what he desired to be written upon the sarcophagus of the tomb, he replied, "The verses of the glorious book are deserving of more honor than to be written on such a spot, for they would be injured by the lapse of time, would be walked upon by persons passing by, and urinated upon by dogs. If anything is necessarily to be written, let what follows suffice. Wah! How every time the plants in the garden sprouted glad became my heart. Pass by, O friend, that in the spring thou mayest see plants sprouting for my loam." Well, we can think of this metaphorically, right? That in dying, you want to leave a legacy that expands or that renews itself.